Mitop khandokna census tausi haibada miyamna yagani thazadi MMTU illegal immigrant ki issue si CSO khara khaki nati Manipur miyam gi mangna taduna leiriba core issue mani NRC tawdana mitop khandokna census tausi haibada miyamna yagani thazadi haina Meetei tribe union MMTU gi sirol amana fondorakli sirol asinai logi wamada sangsilak illegal immigrant singbu India amadi Manipur lenga census namdana yahunduna iramdam asida mitop singi khongdapam laiba ama semgatna chapchaba thabak pekhalakli Lenga asida illegal immigrants sing khandoktuna maramdamda halan kisi haiba wafam asida thawani yaningdaba tawroi haina tawdaba phirep ama laibagum tawri lamdam asida leptana mitop sing jangsilaktuna yellow singi mafamda singnarakliba sing thengnana ba sing tam animakta lairiba yellow singna aikogi irei pak amadi furup kannabagi tama akan balanting ama sangsinana ba phirep ama lawbagi tangai fataba lairi Manipur mitop ki susi khwaidi aruba khudong thine oiba wafam amani Yomthangnariba Myanmar sangslaga illegal immigrants sing apunba lamgi saruk ahum thokpagi anida khudum chanduna khunda singkhri khunda silagli illegal immigrants sing apunba laiba ama semnabagi damak singi lamsingda asaw lambi amadi thongna singba lenga khangdana leptana singba sagalakli Myanmar gi sangslagbi illegal immigrants sing laiba aski assembly da lawmaker oina bureaucrat oina lam amadi Lal haubi lusung boina tholak tuna laibak thugaina bo khongthang song dokhalakli yellow mi proof kyagi matakta su kulai pai tuna landarakli lamdam sita Manipur gi mapana gi sangsilak tuna khunda silakli illegal immigrants in khandokna ba NRC tawgada bani ha miyamna phirepta lengana sai esi April amadagi sathagada ba census ki thaba da tha sigi taraga tere phawa yaithoki ari adubu yaithokiba matam asigi manungda NRC tawna banatragana illegal immigrants in khandokna bagi khongthangdi amada packet kidi Masidana tana India lengana illegal immigrant foreign national sing khandokna ba masing yamlaba notification sing tholaki adubu masi thabak oina packet kibagi mami amata takhidi street corner meeting pangthokre August 3 fawbada Leikai2 di miyamna wakat mipham phambiu ZFD na sangsilakpa khongjanggi saruwa moina street corner meeting pangthokre loinana lagliba August 3 fawba Leikai2 di miyamna wakat mipham phambiu haina ZFD na appeal tarakli Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation ZFD gi IPR gi secretary kangjam Maharbi na thatorok pasirol amana hai ZFD na lakthoki ba khongjang gi saruk am oina ngasi Indo Burma Sugunu Road amadi Tidim lambi the street corner meeting sukmang dokre lambi ane sita lairam kaithel amadi miyam pun maphamda census tawdungari NRC update to mitop phana khandoktuna Manipura census pangthokpa yaroi ZFD na census thingdi matam koina election kiba mitop miancha sing hana khandoktana census toxin kiba tarabadi asumba census oroi mitop auction kiba tarabadi lenga 1 million khunai ron chawn sai thing phanglen hebo wafam sing miyamna thamki ari sirol sina makha taraduna Indo Burma Sugunu Road ki maikeida ZFD task force ki ko convener mobilization pi sana hanbin lusing duna sakhi amadi tidim lambidana ZFD ki committee affairs hawrakpham Sumati amadi ZFD ki assistant organization W kul khana lusingduna atai thawmi singa loinana street corner meeting adu pangthoki hari National Highway Kuntraga Treta Satliba Petroleum Tanker sing security na ningthi na ngak senana ba laingak na thorang lakotri Chief Minister na siya logduna petroleum tanker transporter amadi driver association ki mute singa ngarang nakal ani gi marakta wari sanaduna yana pa prokhibagi matungina ngasi ADGP LO na National Highway Kuntraga Treta Imphal Jiri bamlambi da satliba petroleum tanker sing security na ningthi na ngak senabagi matangda circular mathokri National Highway Kuntraga Treta Satliba petroleum product puba tanker sing dagi lambi paring asigi mafam kayada illegal tax kaya lawrakpidagi transporter amadi driver sing awab kaya mayuk nribas onanaba lengang na thabak lakhotpinaba July 15 da association gi maiketigi minister da sirol ama piduna numit 15 ni matam thakibani adubu hariba matam asigi manungda sunaba thaba amata pekhalaktabadagi July 13 digi oil tanker driver sing na steering pai da bigi khongjang singsilakpadagi ngarang August amada CM Secretary Minister Yumnam Khemsana siyaloduna tanker transporter amadi driver association ki miyut singa wari sanabada nakal ani gi marakta yanaba prokhibani ngarang nakal ani gi marakta yanaki buwapam gi matu ina ngasi Manipur Police ki Additional Director General of Police ADGP Law and Order Larry Dorji Lahatuna petroleum tankers security convoy ga mari lena circular thulakibani ADGP na thokiba circular duda ahan point yauna oina yauri wafamdi highway sida convoy movement gi matang yamdra thama IGP Zone 3 na nodal officer oina duga district khudimaki sub nodal police commander sing yauna review tokani amadi mathau tarabadi mari lena ba stakeholders sing yauna yengsinbagi thabuk sathagani hari Kuki area the Lanchil Lubani Haiba Meetei any police the Sinarakli, Buffer zone Lanchilakani Haiba Meetei Masani, Nana Kuki Zo volunteers in the Titian Tarabamatu, Sarpaimena police station Sinarakri, India to the end in a form of Paugamatu in a Meetei Masani to Narang August Amagi Ahinda, Gamgi 5 Buffer zone Lanchilakpatiki, Kuki Zo volunteers in a Natauduna Wang Pong Tarabamatung police Sinarakibani, police Sinarakrabam any edugi maming. Zunia Syama Masum Rajes Haisnam Kawi Makoi any Maxing Jamaitegini Hauki by Hinuyai the Makoi any Highway Gamgi 5 buffer zone the Matau Togduna Labor Cookies or volunteer Sina Kam like a Wong Pong Tokipini Mu any school service over Maruti Bana with the Tonga Lapani Makoi any Magyunga or Galapani Makoi Buang Pong Togda Makoi Sanapati the Setpani and a Kumlakieri Dungda Makoi any cookies or volunteers in the Ngak Selaga Puraga Lak to the Sapamana police station the Kushner Mani Hari Zenimski doctor Krena Masagi clinic the Pisensing Taduna Lanai Seltan from Ontokle KSP WZMC unification Zenims Hospital ki doctor Krena Masagi private clinic ta Pisensing Taduna Lanai Seltan from Ontokle and KSP PWZMC unification ki PRO Singhaingan Tatorakwa Siro Lamanahadi Siro Lasinai Manipulenga ki Makadala Riba Hospital Singi Manung Am Oiriba Zenims Hospital Sina Isterasi ki Kwaidi ki Sauba Madi Kwaidi ki Faba Hospital Amani Hainaleba Miyamna Launarabasu Zenims Hospital ki Dental College Tamatau Toriba Head of Department Winners Taupuriba Professor Amana Zenims Hospital ki Dental College Asida Laying Muta Masagi private clinic to in a laying Bataduna Lairaba Miyamni Association Pam Lauduna Sanan Pam Onhoktun Lady Habigi Khudong sang the Mangaloinana Lubna Tigalu the Mayk Sinakamli Zenimski Dental College the head of department in the Taupuriba Professor Tangzam Somarendron root canal treatment Tonaba laying Malakwa patients in that RCT Tonaba Messin Endo Motor Yadi Hizununa Masagi private clinic Awang dental clinic and Mingtuan Infol Ski Pure Romba Konang Makong Maya Leva private clinic is the way the Taduna Lanai Seltan Pam Lamiama on talk to a patient and Yam the Polish Mangadilis in Tarafaba Lauduna Masakaki Kanduna laying Patap Satatuna lady Aduga laying Patabas Taugudasu Endo motor hariba machine asi yaudaba yabadu patients in namtak tawduna clinic asi da laying patap sataduna lakli hariba treatment asi Zenims Hospital da tawrabadi subnatagi lupa lising amani yaba laying amani yaramasigi matang dental college asi principal medical superintendent amadi director na hariba su professor TS Somarendrona Masagi private clinic the patients in hausa maksu thaduna laying patap satari masigumlaba thawong kya asi Lupna Matam Suputa Sum Toktura Lakli Professor T.S. Sumendro Awang Dental Clinic Asidiki Matam Pumbigo in a Tinjali Tawong Siki Matana Wakal Tamina Sumendro Yauna Dental College Principal Zinimski MS Amati Director Mangani Manum Sanks Academy Karigum Wapam Singers who told they do not have one on Torok of Tarabadi Masida Tolak Papataki died the Masana Lozagadapan Herakli